Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn on True Tone on iPhone. To turn on the True Tone on iPhone, this is what you can do. The first thing you want to do on your iPhone, you want to open up the settings app on your iPhone. And once you open up the settings app on your iPhone, the next thing I want you to do, I want you to scroll down and tap on display and brightness. So once you tap on display and brightness, it will load up this page for you. On this page, I want you to look closely here at the middle. You can see where it says True Tone. You can see the True Tone is turned off on this device. To turn on the True Tone, I will just tap on the True Tone at the front, that empty space at the front of the True Tone. Once I tap on it, the True Tone will turn to green from white. So guys, once it turns green, this means I have successfully enabled the True Tone for this iPhone. So guys, this is how you can actually turn on the True Tone on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.